Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to have two Discord apps on iPhone. First of all, you have to download Discord app from your app store, and then we have to install another app. To do that, go to your app store and search here copy app, and you have to install this app on your iPhone. Then tap on open, tap on this plus icon at the top right and search here Discord. Once you get it, tap on Discord, tap on done at the top right. Give it your second Discord name, tap on submit, and here you will get your second Discord. Now tap on it, and it's time to sign in into your second Discord account from here. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.